Hello kids and welcome in this new video where we are going to discuss about some more interesting things about animals. As in the earlier part, that is in the first part of our video, we have seen some different types of animals. Now in this second part also, we are going to study about some types of animals and now they are depending on the places where these animals live, where they will have their habitat. That means they will get shelter as well as food. So let's see the things one by one. So here is a picture of some animals and let's see what we are going to study about it. Yes, we are talking about the first type of animals over here, that is land animals. So, in this picture, you can see a tiger, a lion, an elephant, a deer, a cow, bear, and so many more. So, what are land animals? Animals that live primarily on land are called land animals. For example, peacock, the horse, rhinoceros, elephant, giraffe, buffalo, etc. Many more things are there, including in the land animals. So the main thing, they are living on the land. Now, moving in the next, yes, we have to discuss about aquatic animals. That means the animals which live in water. Either they will live in sweet water, that is in terms of ponds, lakes, or rivers, or either they are present in terms of sea or ocean. So let's see what are they. Animals that live in water are called water animals, or also they are known as aquatic animals because aqua means water. They have specialized organs which are called gills or directly through its skin to breathe in water. For example, a whale, shark, dolphin, that is, we can say about fishes, the seahorse, octopus, and many more are there. Okay, so here we have a beautiful picture for different type of aquatic animals. I will read a few for you. Here is a dolphin, a fish, a shark, crab, the seahorse is there, crocodile, starfish, tortoise, penguin, and even a whale. Then frog, octopus, salmon fish, prawns, and seal. Okay, so these are some examples of aquatic animals that are also called as water animals as they live in water. Now, moving for the next, we are talking about the beautiful birds. Yes. What are birds? Birds are the animals with feathers, wings, and two legs, and a beak without teeth. Most of the birds fly, but some birds can swim in water. For example, a duck, we can say. Yes. Birds are the living creatures that can fly in the air and have feathers, wings, and beak. Yes, these are the common characteristics. Birds have no teeth. Their beak has no teeth inside. Birds have wings which help them to fly in the air. This is an example of adaptation. The front, we can say, arms are get converted in terms of wings. Okay. Next is birds lay eggs. So they are not giving birth to their young ones. They are giving eggs. From the eggs, their young ones will hatch out. So let's see the next one. Yes, here we have a beautiful picture for you. An eagle is there, a crane, or we can say a flamingo is there, a pigeon is there. Sorry, yeah, okay, we can say a pigeon is there, white pigeon. Then a crane is there, penguin, and another pigeon, which is a colored one. An owl is there, another one penguin they have shown. Then there is a, we can say, sparrow, we can say the duck is there and the seagull is also there. So variety of we can say birds we can see in this picture. Now moving in the next. Yes, we are going to discuss about the very we can say scary creatures which are insects ones. So here is a picture of ant, the butterfly, the dragonfly, the beetle, bee, mosquito, the house fly is there, the ladybug, the flea is there, mantis is there, then termite, moth, whitefly, so many are there. Okay, so let's see what are actually insects. Animals that have 6 legs and generally one or two pairs of wings are called insects. Insects are the largest group in the animal kingdom. They are present largest in number, so they are the largest group in the animals. For example, a ladybug is there, cockroach, housefly, butterfly, grasshopper, etc. because there are large number. Okay. Next is yes, the horsefly, the grasshopper, aphid, cicada, cockroach, and caterpillar. So many examples are there for the insects, though they are very small in size. Next one is about the amphibians. Yes, we can see the frogs over there. We can see some of the, we can say a dragon is there, dragon lizard is there, a house lizard is also there. We can say the earthworm is there, a tadpole is there. So let's see what are amphibians. Amphibians. Few animals can live both on land and in water. Means they can be present on the land as well as easily they can live inside the water. They are able to breathe both on the land and in water, such as crocodile, turtle, frog, tadpoles, some of the we can say lizards, etc. So, here are also some examples. Yes, the tortoise, the frog, and the crocodile. These are the common examples of amphibians. They can live on land as well as in water. Next one is about reptiles. Yes, we can see different types of lizards over there, and even we can see a tortoise, the frog, and a crocodile also there. So let's see why they are having the name reptiles. Yes, what are reptiles? Reptiles are the animals which crawl or move on their scales or on small short legs. For example, we can say about the lizard and we can say tortoise as well. They have small legs. Examples are snakes move on their scales and lizards move on their small and short legs. Okay, so another one in a picture we have got the example of a snake over here which can scroll, which can move its body on the land with the help of the scales, where the lizards or the tortoise or the frog are having small legs. Okay, now let's summarize the lesson. Yes. Number one, fish are water animals having fins and gills, which help them to breathe in water. Okay. Next is water animals are octopus, shark, dolphin, etc. So some more examples we have added over there. Next is milk giving animals such as we can say cattle like cow or buffaloes or goat as well. They give us milk, so they are called as milk animals. Milk animals. Okay. So cow, goat, buffalo, etc. are the milk animals because they give us milk. Next part is that yes, insects are very small creatures without a backbone. They don't have backbone inside their body. Reptiles creep, that means they move on the land, through their scales and the short legs. We have seen the different examples as well. Birds have wings to fly, feathers and two scaly legs and a beak. So these are the special characteristic for a bird. Now, as we have summarized the lesson, let us now quickly revise some of the points with the help of questions. So, let's see. Which of these animals has no legs? That means it has no legs. Let us see the options. Option number A, that is ant, but ant has legs. Butterfly, it is also having legs. Earthworm, and option number D is lizard. We can say ant, butterfly and lizard, they have legs, but earthworm don't have legs. So I can choose option number C. Earthworm do not has leg. Okay. Next is choose the correct one out of the following statement. We have to find the correct statement. Options are number A, animals have feathers. All the animals have feathers. We are also, human beings are also animals. Do we have feathers? No. So that is a wrong statement. Option number B, birds have feathers. Yes, that could be a correct option. Birds have feathers. But let's see the remaining one. Option number C, fishes have feathers. No, they have fins and gills. And option number D, insects have feathers. No, they also don't have feathers. They have wings, a pair of wings. Okay, so birds have feathers is the correct statement. I have chosen option number B. Birds have feathers. Now, the next. Refer to what Mitali is saying. Let's see what Mitali is saying. Yes, here is she. Mitali. Okay, hi Mitali. Now, what she said, I saw an animal on TV. It was carrying its baby in its pouch. It has a pouch at its stomach, and in that that animal can carry its own baby. Let's see the options. Which animal did Mitali most likely seen in the TV? So, about which animal she is talking? Let's see. Option number A, that is a bear, and option number B, there is a dog. But have you seen that they have any pouch attached with their stomach? No. So these options are not correct one. Option number C is kangaroo and option number D is frog. Yes, kangaroo is the animal who has pouch attached with its stomach or with his belly, and in that they can carry their own babies. Okay, so kangaroo is the animal who has pouch attached with their belly or with their stomach, and they can carry their babies in it. Now next, select the incorrect pair of animal and its home. Okay, squirrel live in tree holes, owl lives in nest, lion lives in den, and option number D, horse lives in stable. Squirrel lives in tree holes, that is the correct one. Owl will not live in the nest. Yes, owl will not live in the nest. So option number B is the yes. They live in barn or they are also living in the tree holes. So owl lives or they build the nest. That is a wrong one pair. So now moving in the next. What is the name of the water animal given in the picture? Is it a shark or a crocodile? Or is it octopus or hippopotamus? Let's see what is the picture. Oh yes, what you can say? Yes, it's a shark. So I can choose option number A. The picture shown is of a shark. Now, yes, it is a part to say or it is a time to say goodbye. But no worry, we will meet in the next part for the same lesson of animals. A few more animals with their different qualities are waiting for us. So let's meet in the next part. Till then, keep studying. Bye bye.